There is no cure for a common cold, but you can certainly get relief from its symptoms quickly and effectively. A little drink of whiskey, hot toddy, can clear your stuffy nose and sore throat caused by the common cold. Let's understand how you can make hot toddy from whiskey for colds. Be careful, you need to take only a very little whiskey as more can worsen the condition. Whiskey is diuretic, so it dehydrates you and your mucus linings get irritated, which is certainly not good when you have a cold. It is important to understand here that you are planning to use whiskey for dealing with a cold and not to get drunk. Alcohol in small amounts has been shown to dilate mucous membranes much in the same way as menthol does. This can help clear the infection. Whiskey also contains the antioxidant ellagic acid, which research suggests may help treat viral and bacterial infections. Now let's make hot toddy from whiskey for colds. In addition to whiskey, you need hot water, honey and lemon juice to make a basic hot toddy. You can also add other herbs that may help in a cold, but we will restrict to these 4 ingredients only. All these ingredients are good for cold on their own. Take a mug of hot water, add just 2 tablespoons each of whiskey, honey and lemon juice. Stir it well to mix all ingredients. Your hot toddy is ready to deal with symptoms of cold. Remember, while whiskey is dehydrating, the simple basic hot toddy is actually hydrating due to its all other ingredients which are in higher quantities. You can adjust the quantities of honey and lemon to suit your taste but never increase quantities of whiskey. If you prefer, you can reduce whiskey in your hot toddy but don't increase the quantity beyond 2 tablespoons. Slowly sip and enjoy your hot toddy. You can take hot toddy daily for a week until your cold is gone. If your cold lasts more than 2 weeks, then consult a doctor. There may be other underlying conditions that may require treatment. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.